Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you ways on how to change payment method on Bolt app in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, you can change the payment method while you are booking your Bolt car. So for example, here, you'll see the option or you'll see the payment method currently being used as your cash. So you can click that and choose your payment methods from here. As you can see, you can add debit or credit card, and that way you can already change your payment method. Now, the next way to change your payment method is by going back to the home page. You want to click on the three-line icon at the upper left corner of the screen, then choose payment. And from here, you have the option as well to add your debit or credit card. And that's it. Now you know how to change payment method on Bolt app in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.